and welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Intercepts. Today in this video I'll explain you a topic called number system and codes, which is a topic of digital electronics. But before we start our topic, let me give you a brief introduction what is meant by digital electronics. Digital electronics is a part of a study called electronics, which deals with things which are discrete in nature. So, to tell you with an example, you might have seen a temperature sensing thermometer which is available in digital form. But before to that, there was a thermometer of mercury which was an analog one. Every physical quantity like temperature, pressure, humidity, volume, mass, etc. and etc. are analog in nature. But to our convenience, we will convert it into discrete using some converters or instruments. Let's start with our topic number systems and codes. What is meant by number system? Number system is basically a system in which you have some set of rules before you use a number. It means, for example, consider a person, some X person is making a list of groceries. He will number that grocery items as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, but not 0, -1, -2 and again 1 with some random numbers. So by default he is following some system here. That is what a number system. We have different type of number systems, but we are more focusing on 4 types of number systems. That is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. How we made this classification? We made this classification depending upon the base values. What is mean by a base value? Base or radix represents the total number of symbols in a symbol or in a digit. It is usually represented with a alphabet small letter B. So actually this is a value which divides or which represent a total number of symbols in that club of digits. How you count for radix or base? For example, you take just an example like A subscript 0, A subscript 1 goes on to A subscript m-1. Point, this is a decimal point, just give a box like this. Now A subscript -1, A subscript -2 and goes on A subscript n-1. This is a base point and these are the base values. Every digit, this is a club of digits. Club of digits, here every A represents a separate number. Every separate number will have some base value and we call that base value as weights. And the system which has weights is called positional number system. These numbers will carry some base values. Because they are carrying some base values, they have some weights. That is why they are called positional number system, because the position of each digit carries some weight depending upon the base value. For example, consider a decimal number system. Decimal number system base value or radix value is 10. It means it should carry numbers from 0 to 9. So whatever the numbers that comes in between 0 to 9 is a decimal number. For example, consider 5134. So the base value here is 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2 and 10 power 3. Every number from LSB to MSB is carrying some weight depending upon the base value. Here the base is 10, so the base value goes from LSB to MSB. The least significant bit has least weightage. So here 4 has least weightage and 5 has highest weightage in that club of digits. I hope you are understanding. So, depending upon the base values, number systems are classified as positional number system and non-positional number system. Positional number system and non-positional. Positional number system have weights and non-positional number system don't have weights. Weights to what? Weights to the digit in a specific position from LSB to MSB. Example of positional number system is binary number system, decimal, hexadecimal, octal and goes on. Examples of non-positional number system are XS3 code, Gray code and Roman values. Roman values are the best example of non-positional number system because you don't have 0 in Roman values. Roman value starts from capital letter I. So we don't give much importance to Roman values in our daily life. Most of the number systems what we use in our daily life is a decimal number system. But the programmers are mostly using hexadecimal and binary number system because the computer understanding number system is binary and the hexadecimal is when we use hexadecimal, when the number of symbols are more than enough, I mean we can't read, so to make it a shortcut we use hexadecimal number system and it is in the form of club of both numbers and alphabets. There are different types of number system as I already said you: binary, trinary, quinary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal and so on. So let us start with our first type of number system, decimal number system. A number system which takes values from 0 to 9 and whose base radix value is 10. Whose base radix value is 10. is decimal number system. This is the most important decimal number system because we use a technique called double dabble method in its conversion. So we are concentrating more on four types of number system. So the possible number of combination that can be done with the four types of number systems is 4C3, which is 12. The decimal can be converted to binary, octal, hexadecimal. Similarly, the case with binary. Binary can be converted to decimal, octal, hexadecimal. And octal can be converted to decimal, binary and hexadecimal. Hexadecimal can be converted to decimal, binary and octal. These are the conversions. Total number of conversions that we are uh, focusing more on is 12. 12 conversions. What is meant by binary number system? Binary number system base value is 2. It means it takes only two values, that is zeros. Its base value is 2. It takes only values 0 and 1. Not beyond this and not less than this. And it is the most type of number system which the programmers use, and the computer understanding number system is binary because computer understands input in the form of zeros and ones. But uh, similarly is the case with the octal number system. It takes values from 0 to 7 and its base value is 8. So the interrelation between binary and octal is 8 can be written as 2 power 3. It means octal number system is the third power of binary number system. You can also say this. Binary number system third power. Base. Binary number system base is 2 and its third power is octal number system base. Octal number system base value. Important. And when it comes to hexadecimal number system, hexadecimal number system is the club of both decimal values and alphabetical values. Why we are using alphabetical values here is to reduce the code. When the binary number system code becomes more large, we'll use decimal number system to make it, hexadecimal number system to make it short. For example, its base value is 16 and it takes values from 0 to 15, but you can't write 15. You have to write from 0 to 9 again. A, B, C, D, E, F. Here the value of A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, 4 is E is 14 and F is 15. So for example, if a binary number system becomes like this, this is a code in binary number system. But this code becomes too big to read. So how we will use it in the hexadecimal? We will reduce it, grouping it into 4. We will write it in hexadecimal. 3. This becomes, this is 3 because 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 3. So we can write this in the form of hexadecimal. 1100 is 13. Not 13, 12. 12 is C. So don't write 12, C. C3. Now this is 1, 1 C3. Again 12, that is C. Again you have 0 here. So 0, C1, C3. In the upcoming classes, I will tell you type of conversion. So keep watching my channel. Till then, thank you.